Hello, this is Marcus, and today I am going to show you how to install and activate your copy of Alex Audio Butler. So let's get started. So one of the first things you want to do is make sure you check your email. You will receive an email with the download link as well as your activation code. So what you want to do is follow that link that says start by downloading. So you want to click here, and this will send you to another screen allowing you to download your copy of Alex Audio Butler. All right, so now we want to click download, and this will give you the option to save the file to your computer, and you want to click OK. And now the file is saved. So now we will go to our downloads folder, and you go to download, and as you can see, Alex Audio Butler is right here. So now we want to extract the files from Alex Audio Butler. All right, so now that we've done that, if you're on a PC like me, then you want to choose the Alex Audio Butler installer for Windows. So let's install this. More info, and do run anyways. You want to click next, then you want to accept the agreement. Click next again. Next one more time for new installation, and then click install. I'm going to show you a couple ways to check and see if Alex Audio Butler is installed correctly on your computer. You want to make sure that you're on the audio tab inside of Adobe Premiere. Now from there, you want to come to the far left and go to effects. And then you want to click where it says audio effects. Now you should see Alex Audio Butler located within this area. And if for some reason you do not see it located here, let me show you another quick way to check and see if you can find it. All right, so let's go to where it says audio track mixer. Then let's right click on the column. Then you want to go to audio plugin manager. All right, so now that we are there, you want to go to scan for plugins. And once you finish your scan, then you should now see Alex Audio Butler located within all your scanned plugins. So now we are going to authorize Alex Audio Butler. So you want to make sure you're still in the audio tab, and you see where it says audio clip mixer. We don't want to choose that one. We want audio track mixer. So remember, click on that, and let's come to the far left to the first audio track. You will see an arrow. You click the arrow. This will expand a window, allowing you to add audio effects to your audio. All right, so next we want to click in the first slot to the far right, and this brings up a window where we choose VST3, Tools, and then you want to choose Unimule. And for any one of these, doesn't matter what you choose, but I'm going to choose Music. All right, so now it says no license found. So what I want to do is, I have my code in here. I am going to paste my code in here. And now let's click Get Authorization. And now this should be good to go. So now I'm going to close this out. And to open the plugin, make sure you double click, and bam, there you go. Everything is set up and ready to go. Now you don't have to enter your code in anymore after this. This activates all plugins associated with Alex Audio Butler. Your copy of Alex Audio Butler is installed, activated, and ready for use. Thank you for watching.